Welcome to the CCLI Reviews channel, where I give you an up-close and personal look at all sorts of products you can find online, from wireless keyboards to lawn sprinklers and just about everything in between. Then I give you my honest opinion of them. If you're curious, CCLI stands for Cord Cutters LI, my parent channel where thousands of people have learned to save money on their cable bill. But here at CCLI Reviews, it's all about the products you're interested in. So if you're ready to see what I have to show you today, sit back, relax, and let's go. Okay, today we're taking an up-close and personal look at the YC302 Pro CO or carbon monoxide protector from Protect Meter. They were nice enough to send me this product for review, and we're going to take a look around the device basically. I'm going to show you how it works really quickly. This one plugs into the wall and an outlet in your home. I suggest putting this where you might sleep. If your house, very typically houses put or builders of houses put CO detectors near the bedrooms of the house, but very often people sleep in other places or they fall asleep, and that's where it's most needed to have a CO detector, like in the living room if you fall asleep watching TV or so on. So I'm going to plug this in now and I'm going to show you how it works before I show it to you in the room where I'm going to put it. When you plug it in, it has a couple of beeps. I'm going to show you up close and personal here. This is the display. When you first plug it in, it counts down from 100, 150, roughly 2 minutes. The nice thing, while this is doing, I'm going to fast forward this in a minute. I'm going to not make you wait the 2 minutes. But as you see on the top there, it has the temperature in the room, which is nice, and also the relative humidity in the room. As you see, it's a little warm in here, and but it's kind of dry. So what it's doing right now is it's warming up the detector. So you don't want to do anything while this is happening, like pushing any buttons or unplugging it or anything like that. I'm going to go ahead and fast forward it now, and when it gets ready to beep, I will slow down the video and we can just talk about what's happening. All right, so it's getting pretty close now. Let's see what happens when it gets down to 0. Okay, so it'll beep twice and the backlighting goes away and it shows you 0 there. So this model, the 302 Pro, will display if the amount of CO in the room exceeds 100 parts per million. The light will display, the alarm will sound, and it will tell you how many parts per million it is, 100, 120, 150, whatever it is. And if you want to, if you're in the room and you can't make that out because it's dark, you can briefly test, push the test button, and it will turn on the display and test. And, let you know that you're all good to go. And then the backlighting goes off again. So just to give you an idea of the size, I've plugged this into my living room outlet here so you can take a look and see what it looks like in the room.